Hey, it's Dr. Amanda with Straight Smile Solutions, and today I'm going to go through the ODL or Ortho Dental Labs handbook. They sent me some demos, kind of go over some of the things they have in their lab. If you're looking for a great orthodontic lab that's kind of high-tech to make expanders, retainers, Schwartz appliances, sagittals, bite plates, anterior bite plates, posterior bite plates, hollies, they look like they have some really cool art, and I'm just going to kind of take you through the handbook that they gave me, see if there's anything exciting. But they definitely have some great printers. The other thing that they can do is they can do 3D printing for metal, which I think there's a different name for that. But here's some of the appliances. Halterman, I talk about those a lot. Mini Pallex. And you can you can request this and get a copy of this, but there's some really cool, you got your standard expanders, quad helix. Let's see if there's anything else in this handbook. Oh, some of the art is really cool that we got going on here for retainers. Oh, and all different types of clasps, if you have questions about clasps. Those are night guards, not interested in that. We've got retainers. And that's about it. And then let me show you really quick the metal 3D printed expander. And in terms of the bonding instructions, it is 100% different than a regular expander. So this is actual metal 3D printing. So you don't have to put spacers in. So basically all you're going to have to do is scan the patient, send it in. And this is almost like made like an onlay in that it's going to use retention up and over the appliance. And then they put these little nubs on there to help remove it later. You should definitely consult the ODL website for instructions on how to deliver it. It's really different than a regular band, and you have to do it right or it's not going to stick. They do have demo videos, so I'm not going to make one because they did such a great job. Just go to ODL and then 3D printed bands. You should be able to find it, or I can introduce you to their team and they can give you the instructions. But you don't have to drop spacers before delivery, so it cuts out 1 to 2 appointments, and it's like custom fit, so you won't have to worry about the discomfort. Also, it's kind of nice because sometimes people have discomfort, you know, in the back of the sixes, and you don't have to worry about that because they're going to make it really small. It's not even going to go subgingival. It's all going to be super gingival, although I usually still run it off the ease, you know, for me. This no longer is dropping. There we go. So it just, the retention is just incredible. So I would definitely check it out for the 3D printed expander. All right. Thanks so much.